Hello guys, all of you may want to know how to prepare base in a road. This is a bituminous road and currently gravel is sprinkled, you can see, and the machine is coming towards me is greater and we are mixing the materials. So that it get its best bending properties. See? We are mixing all materials. The material is this gravel. And after doing this, water will be sprinkled. You can see water may be coming right now from that side. We are preparing the base. And after mixing and sprinkling water or watering the stones, then compaction will be done, and then compaction is done by a roller. Roller is there, you can see. Roller is there. This is the roller, and will be coming right soon. And now we are watering the materials. The material is aggregate and sand. It's a mixture. You can see water is being applied. Yes. Done. And all the big stones, which is bigger than the normal size, will be thrown out. You can see in the picture too. They are just throwing out the bigger stones. And this process is continuous. This is how the base is prepared. Compaction is being applied 15 times, up to 15 times, as per the density or as per the requirement. You can see. Beyond this electric pole, the base is already prepared, and we are preparing this for today. Thank you guys.